Hey there, homeowners. Want to keep your home safe and comfy with your R32 AC and gas furnace? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the must-know safety guidelines. First up, R32 refrigerant. It's super efficient and eco-friendly, but remember, it's mildly flammable. Here's what you need to know about handling it safely. R32 is classified as A2L under ASHRAE safety ratings, meaning it's mildly flammable, so always ensure proper ventilation and use leak detection measures. And whatever you do, don't store it near open flames or heat sources. When installing R32 AC systems, make sure to use dedicated R32 compatible refrigerant lines with proper flare connections. Install leak detection sensors in enclosed areas where refrigerant might build up. Ventilation is key. Mechanical rooms need to be well ventilated, and always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for refrigerant charging and evacuation. Next up, gas furnace safety. Carbon monoxide, or CO, is a silent killer. Make sure you've got CO detectors near bedrooms and furnace areas, and have a licensed technician inspect the furnace burners annually to ensure proper combustion. To prevent gas leaks, regularly inspect gas line connections using a soapy water test. Make sure the gas shut-off valve is accessible in case of an emergency. And if you ever smell rotten eggs, evacuate immediately and contact the gas utility provider. Proper venting and airflow are essential. Ensure flue vents are properly installed to avoid exhaust gas buildup. Keep air intake vents unobstructed for proper combustion, and regularly check for corrosion or cracks in the heat exchanger to prevent CO leaks. Now, let's talk emergency procedures. If you suspect a refrigerant leak, turn off the AC system immediately. Ventilate the area by opening windows and doors, and use a leak detector if you have one. Then call a certified HVAC technician. In case of a gas leak, evacuate the home immediately. Don't use any electrical switches. Call 911 or your gas utility company from a safe distance, and don't re-enter the home until authorities say it's safe. Best practices for HVAC safety: regular inspections are a must. Schedule professional maintenance annually for both your AC and furnace. Replace air filters regularly to keep your indoor air quality high. And test CO detectors and smoke alarms monthly. For fire and electrical safety, ensure proper grounding of electrical components. Keep combustible materials away from furnace and AC units, and never use extension cords for HVAC connections. The final verdict? Staying safe with your R32 AC and gas furnace systems is all about prevention and preparedness. Install CO detectors and refrigerant leak sensors, keep venting systems and ductwork clear, conduct annual inspections with a licensed technician, and always follow manufacturer safety guidelines. And remember, know the emergency shutdown procedures for refrigerant and gas leaks. So if you ever smell gas, suspect a refrigerant leak, or experience ventilation issues, call a professional right away. There you have it, folks. Follow these guidelines and you can enjoy efficient, long-lasting and hazard-free HVAC operation. Stay safe and comfy. Catch you next time.